all of you. Today's online class is social science, little bit of geography, initial parts we will see for the remaining some videos. This is the beginning of school year 2021-22. This year also the classes are online. So accordingly, Asha Shorts channel also will have online classes. Topics I may not be repeating, but you have to see my earlier videos. For the last 1 year, I put lots of videos, geography, history, law and English grammar, beginnings. All of you watch all my videos and subscribe also. Along with my videos, I give particular topics, necessary pictures and examples for grammar topics and notes also. To see all the things, you have to go through the video completely and try to learn by looking on the maps I have given also. Today's video is about the Great Himalayas. Himalaya mountain is in the northern side of India. It is the border of India. It stands like a wall. It is a natural wall in the border of India, northern side, protecting India from invasion from the northern countries. Like that, we have protection from the nature as oceans, Arabian Sea, Bengal Bay and Indian Ocean on 3 sides of Indian Peninsula. Today we are talking about the Himalaya mountain. See the map I have given. The Himalaya mountain is a fold mountain. Fold mountains are formed by folding of the earth crust. Due to pressure from inside the earth crust as well as outside, the earth crust will be folded upwards, taking a long years and form as mountains. These are called as fold mountains. Himalaya mountain is a fold mountain made like this. It is a natural mountain and it is very difficult, not at all possible to cross the Himalaya mountain to go to the other side. There are certain passes, 1 or 2 passes in some places of Himalayas to go through that to reach China. The pilgrimage to Kailasa Yatra. Kailasa Yatra, you might have heard, it is a pilgrimage voyage to Kailasam, the home of Lord Shiva. For that, you have to go through the passes and enter China and you have to go to the Kailasam. Manasarovar Lake is the lake near Kailasam. Manasarovar Lake is the topmost lake in the world. You see the position of Manasarovar Lake in the map I have given. Himalaya mountain is clad with ice. It is divided into different layers. The topmost layer, middle layer and lower layer. In the lower layer, lots of trees grow and wild animals are also there. The trees growing are conical shape. Conical shape trees, fir trees, we usually use for Christmas tree preparation. The picture I have given of a Christmas tree. The trees are conical in shape so that ice will not be sticking to the tree. The ice falling over the tree will be dripped off from the tree. Another tree available in the Himalayas is the willow tree. Willow tree is the tree we use for making cricket bats. Everest mountain is the highest mountain peak in the world. Height is 8,848 meters. This is the highest peak on the world. Next comes Mount K2, also known as Karakoram Range. 8,611 meters. The third place goes to Kanchenjunga. Height is 8,598 meters. 8,598 meters. There are so many other mountain peaks also on the Himalayas, and the longest river of India, Ganga, starts from Gomukh in Himalayas. Most of the rivers of India starts from Himalayas. Since they are coming from Himalayas, these rivers always have water in that. They are called as perennial rivers because the water is made by ice melting. All through the year it is having water, so they are called perennial rivers. The major rivers of India starts from Himalayas. Shivalik range is a range of mountains in the lower layer of Himalayas. And just below that Shivalik range and the lower layer, we have the Gangetic plain. It is the plain area of India, which is very fertile area because all the major rivers flow through these plain areas. Ladakh is a cold desert. Cold desert means the place clad with ice always, and no vegetation or animals can live in this area. This place is called as cold desert. So Ladakh is, you can see in the map, it is in the higher layer of Himalayas. It is always clad with ice. Nanda Devi, Makau, Dhaulagiri, like that different mountains are present in the Himalayas. The remaining portions we will continue with the other episodes. Let me remind all of you to completely watch all my videos and subscribe also.